LinkedIn has added a new feature that you should be taking advantage of. You can now add a call to action at the top of your profile underneath your headline. If you look at my profile here, I have a link right here that's to my LinkedIn Less is More PDF. You can add a custom call to action to your profile as well. So let's look how you do that. You're just going to click on the pencil here to the right. It's going to open your edit intro pop-up. Just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And here's where you're going to see that custom action. Add a link. Make sure you click link. Add your link here. It needs to go, of course, somewhere out on the internet. So it has to be someplace that people can go to. And then here's where you're going to add your text. Make sure you add something here that is truly a call to action so that someone would want to click on it. And of course, you have 30 characters, so you need to be brief and succinct in doing this. There are some great ideas on how you can use this link. You can send it to a lead magnet, which is what I've done. You can use it to promote an event, a webinar. You can send it to an online portfolio. There are lots of ways you can use this in order to make it easy for people to find something very quickly and easily right from the front of your profile. This is Lisa Kanda with LK Advisors. I hope you found this is helpful.